Hello, I'm Jesse Jaramillo from Amphenol Assembletech. I'm an SI engineer that focuses on inside-the-box high-speed cable assemblies. Today we're demonstrating the MCIO, Mini Cool HIO, and it's one of our flagship products for high-speed cable assembly applications. It's currently designed for Gen 5 PCIe. It's also compatible with the previous generation, Gen 4 and Gen 3. And we are tuning it to perform at Gen 6. We have our factory in China, and I'm located in Houston, Texas. And I support the local U.S. Customers for SI engineering. The Mini Cool HIO comes in all the plug angle designs that you may need, the right angle, the straight, the side exit. So we have various configurations on it. It's also one of our largest pinout and contacts, from 38 circuits all the way up to 168. So this is one that most recommend for your applications for Gen 4, Gen 5, and they come in Gen 6 PCIe. And we also have several other high-speed solutions, such as the Swift, the Flash, for any of your high-speed protocol out in the industry, either SATA, SAS, PCIe. So we're really excited to show you our products and see how we can help you with your applications we have available, or we can custom make a solution for you. If you have dimensional requirements, a tight fit, low profile, or a specific signal integrity, we're looking for a win-win so that we can meet your mechanical needs, your signal integrity needs, and your cost requirements. We want to be your partner and be able to have a win-win situation on both sides. So we're looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you look us up on the web, and we're eager to work with you in your application. Thank you for your time.